Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to DNTV. So, DNTV is very first startup, so the new tradition is we'll start the year with episodes. And unfortunately, I didn't make DNTV startups or close downs on April, but I'll do it in May. And here come the news now. Oh, hi. Welcome to the DNTV breaking news. My name is Numberblock 1, and today it's soon going to be June, and it's summertime. Yes! Anyways, this is Numberblock 1 signing off. Bye. Now it's time for the first episode for the day, and that's The Shiny Show. Enjoy.